guys, Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. I hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. And I'm finally back home here in Holland. We went away for 3 weeks. 3 weeks, guys. We went to Turkey for the summer holiday and we had an amazing time there. But before we actually left here in Amsterdam, we almost missed our flight in Munich. We had a connecting flight right in Munich, but we had a delay here in Amsterdam. That was also the reason why we had to run in Munich, by the way, in the airport of Munich, to the gate of the plane. But luckily that plane also had a delay and we almost missed our flight, guys. So that was a little bit of a stressful moment, but finally we arrived in Turkey. So we had a rental car and just drove off to the summer house of my wife's parents. My wife's parents got a summer house in an area called Pelitköy. You may or may not heard it, but anyways, I'm just sharing you this experience. This video is all about my experience, by the way, of the summer holiday in Turkey. And we also mapped out this plan, right? So this plan, we wanted to go to Istanbul, Ankara, and Cappadocia. Not even sure how to pronounce it, but you know, this is my experience. So first of all, Istanbul. What I didn't know about Istanbul is that this whole place, this whole big ass city was built on hills, right? So we took a cab ride, a taxi ride, and that taxi ride, actually all taxi rides were just like little mini roller coasters, right? Up and down, left and right, and just went all over the place. I didn't have the time to pick up my camera to film all of that because I was just too scared to pick up my camera. And overall the city itself was great, man. So if you're ever in Istanbul, you should go there and take a taxi ride. We also got some good food. We went, of course, we needed to go to Salt Bay. You must know Salt Bay or Nusret. And we went to one of his steak restaurants, and actually we had a great show and experience there as well. The food was actually really nice. But of course we visited a whole bunch of things. We visited the Sultan Ahmed, Hagia Sophia, the Dolmabahce Palace, and of course we took a boat over the Bosporus River, which was also really nice. So the whole experience was truly awesome. But if you really wanted to go like to a restaurant with a nice view over the city, you must check out the Izaka Terrace restaurant, which is inside of a hotel, by the way. But the view and the food was really good, man. I really like it. Took a bunch of pictures there. And oh yeah, we also stayed at a very good hotel, the Hilton Maslak Hotel in Istanbul, which was really nice, with a huge room, a nice view, and I really liked the service as well. So if you're ever in Istanbul, you should go there. Next up, that is Ankara. So Ankara was totally different than Istanbul. Very quiet, much slower paced, but still a lot of things to do. So we visited this public place. I'm not sure what the name is. I'm gonna show it here on screen. It's like the Ataturk, this monument, right? And we went there, spent some time there. We also went to a little like castle area, and that place looked totally not Turkish, if that makes any sense. It almost looked like France or Switzerland. It looks almost European. But honestly, Ankara is not a place for tourists, and if you are ever there in Ankara, 1 or 2 days is enough. Next stop after Ankara, we went to Cappadocia or Cappadocia. I'm not even sure how to pronounce it. Cappadocia is known for its beautiful landscapes, right? This natural environment with the strange looking rocks, strange looking environment, very magical, almost non-Earth-like, like you are on a different planet or something. Also did a little tour, spent a lot of time in this tour. Cappadocia or Cappadocia is also very known for the hot air balloons. First of all, you needed to get up really early. Secondly, the price was actually quite expensive. And thirdly, I'm afraid of heights. So if you are a very adventurous type of person, definitely go and do that. But I just took out my drone and flew towards the balloons, but the balloons were very far away, by the way, as well, very high up in the sky. So I was like, that's beautiful from a far distance from the ground. Not for me, please, but it looks very magical. And after that, we went to the summer house of my wife's parents, and there we just spent the time, the rest of the vacation, just chilling at the pool, relaxing, have a little bit of dinner. If you are ever in that little area, so this area is called Pelitköy, and then there's a little place called Iskele in that area, and there you get some really good food, like really good restaurants, where you can get really nice soups. So a chicken soup but also you can get cockroach. So you must look up what cockroach is. That is a sandwich with meat inside of it, and that meat is from like a cow or a lamb or everything in between. I'm not even sure what it is, but it's well seasoned and the taste is really beautiful, man. Really nice. One of my favorite sandwiches in the whole world. Now, back here in the Netherlands, back here in Holland, time to make new videos, and the first video that will be coming is about the DJI Mini 2. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if not already to see that video, and after that it's just more and more reviews, more and more products of different companies as well. My channel is slowly growing into a tech kind of channel because a lot of products from different companies, maybe because of my collaboration with Xiaomi, I'm not sure, but there are a lot of cool stuff coming my way, which I personally really like. So thank you guys for watching these videos. I really appreciate it, and I also really love making these videos. So make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the section down below, and maybe give some tips here and there. I don't know, some feedback or questions, whatever. Just share things on the comment section as well. It really helps the channel. All right, that's all for this video. Thank you. See you in the next one. As always, stay safe and stay healthy. Good luck.